Hello my friends, it's me once again. This video that I have is the video I took when we went to Hoover Dam near Las Vegas. It's not really far from Las Vegas, but the beauty of the construction and the engineering behind this when they built this Hoover Dam way back in 1900. But as I look right now, there's not much water, and it looks like there's a little bit of drought. And as I heard the news the other day, they're trying to limit the water that they're using for power generation, because this dam is used also for agriculture, including power generation. They have also the turbine building, which is located on the bottom of the dam. The engineering, they really made this really one of the unique dams that was built way back long time ago. I really admire what they have, because those times they don't have yet all the heavy equipment that we're using these days. But I'm very thankful I stopped by on this place. It's a very memorable best visit to this Hoover Dam. Was dedicated in honor of the President of the United States of America. So, yes, keep on watching this video up to the end. And one thing I also admire, how did they build the concrete bridge at the top of this dam. A lot of people think the design is just like an art, and really, I really believe and admire of what they have done before. Their engineering design was very perfect. One time in the news that Look at the bridge above. That's all made of concrete. I don't know how they did it. I don't know if they pour in place or precast itself, but it's really a big task to do. That's all made of concrete. So guys, this is all what I got right now. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.